This episode is sponsored in part by Armadillo Tech. If you need a rugged and stylish phone case for your iPhone or Samsung, then check these guys out. They make some pretty cool stuff and they're based out of Texas, plus they donate to UNICEF. So take a look in the links below. Let's get started.
The 2020 AMG GTR. It's a phenomenal looking car, you can't convince me otherwise, but as the current flagship for Mercedes, it's got some pretty big shoes to fill. And based on the specs, I think it's got what it takes. 4-liter twin-turbo V8, 577 brake horsepower, 516 pounds of torque. Front engine, rear-wheel drive, that signature AMG exhaust note. It's a proven formula for having a good time. But good times aside, how fast is it in our half-mile acceleration test? There's only one way to find out.
And that's to hand it over to our resident race car driver. Let's do another run without any interruptions. What a machine. Now let's go take a look at those numbers while he gets his fairy tale ending. What you see here are the uncorrected times. The DA was only 900 feet above sea level, so the correction won't be far off. I'm always going to get that one guy in the comments that says our numbers don't match magazine or manufacturer claims. Keep in mind we produce real-world results on real pavement in real street conditions, and no one is paying us for hero runs. Plus, we really only care about the 40 to 100, 60 to 130, and half mile anyway, so focus on those. Either way, I'll leave all the corrected numbers here for your own entertainment. And if you want to see where it stacks up to the other cars we've tested, check out the link to our fast list in the description below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, let me know by leaving a thumbs up and comment below. Also, don't forget to take a look at our merch store and support the channel. And if this is your first time here, check out some of my other stuff. I produce high quality cinematic car content, so if you like what you see, hit that subscribe button and ring that bell icon for new episodes every Thursday. Thanks for watching.